Hello and welcome. Hope you are doing well. This is Rajat Mishra welcoming you to the two-wheeler technology session. So today's session is about spark plug. So the purpose of spark plug is to ignite the compressed mixture of air and fuel in each cylinder of a gasoline powered internal combustion engine. There is an insulated center electrode running the length of the spark plug and one or more ground electrode on the bottom end, separated from the exposed end of the center electrode by a space known as spark gap. When the voltage supplied from the ignition coil to the spark plug is high enough, the electrical energy jumps the gap, forming a spark. The electrodes were traditionally made of copper, but now they are also being manufactured from rare materials like iridium and platinum. So types of spark plug. Spark plugs are mostly of two types, that are hot plug and cold plug. Hot plug have a long insulator nose, a great surface area exposed to the hot combustion gases. Heat transfer to the engine head is slower, its firing end heats up quickly. And cold plugs have a short insulator nose, a less surface area exposed to the hot combustion gases. Heat transfer to the engine head is quicker, its firing end does not heat up quickly. So in familiar terms, we can say that hot plugs are used in engine which doesn't become so hot, and cold plugs are used in engine which becomes so hot or which goes to higher RPM. So these are the two types of spark plug available in the automobile market. The different conditions of the spark plug. The first is the normal condition, where the combustion deposits are slightly and not heavy enough to cause any detrimental effect on engine performance. Mechanical damage may be caused by a foreign object that has accidentally entered the combustion chamber. Oil foul. Too much oil is entering the combustion chamber. This is often caused by piston rings or cylinder walls that are badly worn. Overheated. A clean white insulator firing tip and or excessive electrode erosion indicate the spark plug condition. Insulator glazing. Glazing appears as a yellowish varnish color. This condition indicates that spark plug temperature have risen suddenly during a hard, fast acceleration period. Pre-ignition. Usually one or a combustion of several engine operation conditions are the prime cause of pre-ignition. It may originate from glowing combustion chamber deposits. So these are the different conditions of the spark plug that we find when we do the maintenance of a spark plug. So how to check for a damaged spark plug? Turn your machine off and allow the engine to cool to the touch, and then disconnect the spark plug wire to prevent accidental starting. Brush or clean off the area around the plug with compressed air or a brush, making sure the area is clean. Remove the spark plug with a spark plug socket and clean any deposit from the plug. Use a wire brush or spray on plug cleaner to remove the deposit, or a sturdy knife to scrape off tougher deposits. Check the spark plug for cracked Proclean electrode that have been burned away or stubborn deposits. Check the spark plug gap and adjust if necessary. If the spark plug is in good shape, reattach. Make sure you don't over tighten the plug when replacing it. Reconnect the spark plug wire and start your machine engine. So this is the process of doing the maintenance of a spark plug. The maintenance of a spark plug should be done at every servicing so that the vehicle performance is good. Components of the spark plug. The spark plug is made of different various components, such as the first component is the thread. It is the thread to which the spark plug is tightened in the cylinder head. The second component is the insulator. The insulator insulates the center electrode to the environment so that the user doesn't get the shock which is going from the center electrode. Spark plug tip. Spark plug tip receives the positive current from the ignition coil. Ground electrode. Ground electrode is a part of thread and it is connected to the engine when it is tightened to the cylinder head. So the ground electrode gets the negative charge from the engine. Center electrode. The Positive charge from the spark plug tip comes to the center electrode. Hence, a field is created between the positive charge of the center electrode and the negative charge of the ground electrode. So, this is all about the spark plug that is used in a spark ignition engine. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram for more informative videos on automobiles. For more details, contact our career counselor. Thank you.